Hi guys, today I'll show you how I cook my fried chicken wings. There are a lot of ways to do it, but I'll show you how you can take it to the next level. We'll start off with some chicken wings. I have about 6 to 7 pieces here. So we'll start by cutting the flappers. Then you can cut it right on the joint to make it into 2 pieces. You can follow the same procedure for the rest of the chicken wings. And you can save the flappers to make a gravy or soup for the cold days, or just discard them. Alright, we're done with our chicken wings. We'll put it aside for now. Next, we'll need a half a clove of garlic and ginger. I used to have a friend who didn't know how to peel garlic. The easiest way to peel garlic is to pound it with the side of a knife and slightly crushing it, and the skin will come right off. Next, take the ginger. We won't need a lot of ginger, just a tiny portion of the root. Ginger is great, by the way, guys. If you ever have cold, drink ginger tea before bed, or maybe any time, and it will make you feel so much better when you wake up. Peel off the ginger skin as much as you can. It's really hard to peel off the ginger skin because it doesn't have a smooth surface. But peel off the skin as much as you can. Now we will crush the ginger and garlic together to make it into a ginger garlic paste. They do have these paste in store, but I like to make mine at home because it's fresh and raw, whereas the store-bought ones tend to have lost its raw flavor. Once you're done, you can put it on the side. So next we'll take a bunch of cilantro and wash them and cut them into little pieces. You want them to cut into little pieces because you want the aroma and the flavor of that cilantro to come out, as we are going to use it to marinate the chicken. Alright, it is time to bring everything together. We will now marinate the chicken. So here I have Indian Shaha meat masala to give flavor. We will eyeball it and put about 1 to 2 tablespoons of it. Next I have this Kashmiri Lal Mirch from India. It has great flavor and great color to it. I would put about at least like 1 to 2 tablespoons. Next, put some salt to your liking. I'll put about like a tablespoon to 2 again. Alright, now you can put in the cilantro. And here I have also half cut up lime. Squeeze the lime juice in the mix. Then you can start mixing all of them together. While you're doing it, you can also kind of squeeze and massage the chicken to tenderize it, and make sure all the spices and herbs are actually reaching places. Also, let's not forget about our ginger and garlic paste that we made earlier. We'll put them in the mix as well, and it will give another dimension to the flavor. Alrighty, we are now done with the mixing. Next, we will put them in a ziploc bag. Here I have 2 bags, so we'll make 2 batches out of it, and I'll split them into exact half. Okay, we have placed the chicken in the bag. Now make sure to take out as much air out of the bag as possible while sealing it. Now put them in the fridge to marinate about 3 hours. It's been now 3 hours. Let's gather a few things to cook our fried chicken with. Here I got a medium-sized egg, 2 bowls, an iron cast skillet, and here I'm using a corn oil. Here I'm using corn oil. You can also use vegetable oil. You can actually use any type of oil that can capture a high amount of heat. Use one of the bowl for the egg. Here we'll be using Japanese style breadcrumbs as well. You can use any type of breadcrumbs that you can find in your local store. Alright, we'll throw in some spicy red chili to get some kick in our chicken. Now I'm going to mix up the ingredients, my eggs. Okay, we have everything ready to make this fried chicken. The only thing left is to fry it. Looks like our oil is starting to heat up. To check, what you can do is you can drop a droplet of the egg, and if it fries immediately, then it means it's heated up. Now we are ready to fry our chicken wings. We will drop the beautifully marinated chicken in the egg, and then roll it around the breadcrumb. The egg helps the breadcrumb to stick. And you can repeat the process for the rest of the chicken. After 6 to 7 minutes, flip the chicken wings and let it fry for another 6 to 7 minutes on the other side. Alright, we have cooked the chicken for about 13 to 14 minutes. The chicken should be cooked really well, so now it's time for it to take it out. And our chicken wings are ready. We are serving it with French fries on the side. Thank you for watching this video, and please like and subscribe for more videos like this.